The garage and maintenance system in Hinawi ERP is designed to manage the maintenance of vehicles and equipment with high efficiency. The system covers the entire maintenance cycle, from vehicle registration through work order management and spare parts allocation to final invoicing. The system provides a comprehensive register of all vehicles and equipment, including details such as serial numbers, model, purchase date, warranty information, and last service date. After registering a vehicle, a work order is opened. Each work order includes the type of job required and spare parts needed. Each work order can be tracked daily with statuses such as draft, in progress, or completed. Upon completion of a work order, the system generates a draft invoice to share with the client for preliminary approval. Technicians' working hours are recorded directly within each work order to ensure accurate cost control. All costs and revenues are automatically posted to financial accounts and linked to maintenance jobs. All documents can be printed in Arabic and English, with a wide library of reports available. With Hinawi ERP's garage and maintenance system, companies can manage their fleet and equipment maintenance seamlessly.